In this video, we are going to understand what is React.js. Okay, so React.js, as you can see on the screen, React.js is an open source JavaScript library that is used for building user interfaces for web application. So, as you can see, it is an open source JavaScript library. It is built on the top of JavaScript language, so it uses JavaScript. Okay, and it is used for building user interfaces, means it is used in the front end part, okay, of the web application. It is used for designing front end of the web application. Next point is React allow users, developers to create reusable UI components that can be used to build complex and interactive web application. What it means is React is all about components. So now we will understand what is component. So I have opened this website, which is of Flipkart. So in this website you can see there are multiple components. Components means small part of the website that can be reused in one or more pages. As you can see here at the top, this is the navbar. So navbar means that part of the website which contains links, logo, search bar, right? So now this is the home page of our website, right? It is at the top. Navbar is at the top. So if I now redirect to this notification preference page, so you will observe that navbar is still at the top. It is not changed. So it is a component which is reused in another pages also, right? So these are the components. As you can see here, the second component is footer. So if I now I again redirect to the home page, you can see that footer will be still at the bottom, right? So these are the small components. So this is the one component, this whole section is one component, this cards is one small component, then this whole container is one component. So in this way we can utilize these components and reuse again in the another web page, right? So next point is, one of the key features of React is its virtual DOM, that is document object model, which provides a way to optimize updates to the UI by minimizing the number of actual changes made to the HTML document. This leads to faster rendering time and improved performance. What this means is, if you have been through the web development journey, in previously we were using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So what used to happen is, uh, this uh, there is not concept of there is not a concept of reusable components. Means what? Ki, we have to write repeated code for navbar on the separate pages, right? So there we used to not follow the dry principle, which means for do not repeat yourself, right? So in React, that disadvantage is covered, and here they have provided a virtual DOM. What it does, it changes the that component of the page which is actually getting updated or deleted, right? So the rest of the part of the website is intact, and whenever we redirect to the different pages, the components of the website which are static, which are same for all the pages, is as it is, and the part of the website which needs to be changed is only changed. So what this will affect is, it will affect the website loading time. So previously we used to see the loading time was much higher, right? We used to wait till whole website gets displayed. So now it is minimized to much lower extent, right, with the help of this virtual DOM. So as you can see on the left side, I have shown a diagram which shows the architecture or component architecture of React.js. So at the top we have app component. This is the main root component, right, of the website. And in that app component we have sub components. For example, we have header component, and then we have main page. So main page consists of three pages, right? Results table, chart model, or left navbar. Then again result table is divided into two separate components, comparison table and control header. So in this way, as you can see, the one component is divided into sub component, that sub component is divided into more sub components. So all these components are reusable and can be nested in one or another component, right? So this is the power of React.js, and this is the reason why React.js is becoming famous in the market. So talking about the placement and job perspective, as you can see here, uh, React is I have searched the top 5 front-end technologies. So React is number one technology. So from here you can see that the popularity of React.js is much higher. Okay, and from the job perspective, you can see in the Naukri.com we can see 28,900 jobs for just React.js developers, right? So it is not bad. So this is the right time for learning React.js for you all, and I hope I have covered the most of the topics that you all need to start with this React.js journey. So thank you.